So hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about two very important metrics in the performance marketing field or in the paid advertising field. So the metrics are impressions versus reach. What does it mean and what are the differences between these two? So impressions. So when we talk about impressions, that basically means number of times an advertisement is shown or number of times an advertisement is displayed. Let me explain you with help of an example. Alright, so let's say I visit this website which is newyorktimes.com. This is a very famous news website. So on top of this I see an advertisement. Okay, so this is an advertisement, right? So when I came on this website, this ad was shown to me, so that is counted as one impression. Okay, and if I, let's say, refresh this website and if this ad again shows to me, then that will be counted as another impression, so that will be two impressions. Like this ad would be shown to lot many people and that many times it will be counted as an impression. So that is what impression means, number of times an ad is shown. Now let's discuss about the next metric, which is reach. Reach basically means total number of unique users to whom the ad is shown. So unique users is very important. Let me explain this. So in a previous example, let's say this ad was shown to me 5 times. So in that case, it will be counted as 5 impressions, but the reach is 1 because I am the only one. I am the single person who is watching this ad. So those are 5 impressions to a single person. The reach is 1. So now let me explain these two concepts with help of another example. So let's say this is a fitness app and they are running a display campaign across different websites. Okay, so in that case, so let's say if this ad is displayed 500 times across different websites, so the impressions will be counted as 500. Okay. However, if those 500 impressions are seen by just 100 different individuals or 100 unique users, then the reach will be 100. So what that means is your ad is displayed 500 times, but it is seen by only 100 different individuals. So the reach is 100. So once we understand these two important metrics, which is impressions and reach, there is another important metric that comes into picture, which is called frequency. So we knew impressions are 500, reach is 100 based off the previous example. So frequency is nothing but it's a total number of impressions divided by reach, which is 500 by 100 equal to 5. So what does frequency tell? Frequency basically tells to each person your ad is shown 5 times on an average. That's what frequency tells. Thank you.